What's up everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be cooking again, so another video from the kitchen, but today we're gonna be trying something different. I'm gonna be cooking without a recipe, so it's gonna be chicken pasta Lewap style. So it's gonna be high protein, very healthy, and super delicious. This is Lewap's pasta. Let's go. So let's start off with gathering our ingredients and utensils. First, get yourself a chopping board and a knife. Chicken, cheese, broccoli, paprika, any kind of pasta. I ran out of this, so I'm gonna also use spaghetti. Your spices, so chicken seasoning, oregano, curry, and salt. And also get ready a pan and some kind of utensil you can stir with. So first, we're gonna cut the chicken into smaller pieces. So now we're gonna dump this in there. We're gonna turn that on to start cooking and stir once in a while. And while that's cooking there, we'll boil some water over here and we will cook our pasta at the same time as that is cooking. Now let's season the chicken. Once this is done cooking, turn off the heat and leave it there. Once this is boiling, let's put in the pasta. Now chop up some onion. Now that the pasta is cooking, throw in the onion, the paprika, and the broccoli, and grate the cheese in there. Now mix it all and put the heat back on. Remember to stir once in a while. Now that this is done, add in the pasta and stir. Now crack in 3 eggs. Turn off the heat and you are done. So it ended up turning out really delicious, and I'm proud to say that that is my own original recipe, and I really hope some of you try it. And when you do, please let me know in the comments, how was it? Please like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe to see more of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.